Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Monish from Presidency University. I've placed in MaxLinear, and for getting placed in MaxLinear, Emertxe helped me a lot. I got to know Emertxe through Google. Initially, I thought it was like just an institute, but when I started getting the knowledge here, it was really very helpful. And also, like the skills they teach here is extremely amazing. And then you get industry knowledge if you make me sure, and then you have like skills wherein you put your skills into a project so that you learn the actual skills. And also there are a few opportunities where you can excel yourself. There is a standard like power track, so in which you have to be answering in your class, then you get a chance to get into power track. So which is power track is basically for students, those who are performing a little better, which Emertxe will push you furthermore for applying for premium companies. So I would like to suggest anyone here in Bangalore, also outside of Bangalore, to join Emertxe. Even not offline, you can also join online, which is really helpful for your career development as well as your knowledge development. Thank you.